In this video, we are going to dive into a guaranteed issue term life insurance policy. There are no health questions, no exam. Everyone who applies will be approved. Stay with me, we'll dive into the details, and then you can take life insurance off your to-do list in the next 5 minutes. Okay, so let's take a look at the Protection Plus life insurance and all the details and the way it works. As I mentioned, the policy is available to anyone. There's just a few parameters that you need to stick within. You must be between the ages of 18 and 75 years old. The policy is available in 33 different states. So you must be living or have an address in an approved state. The monthly premium is paid by a major credit card. So you must, in addition to having an address in an approved state, you must also have a major credit card such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover. It could also be a debit card, but the debit card must have a Visa or MasterCard logo on it. But that would be an option as well. Social Security numbers are not required on the application. So if you don't have a Social Security number, you may still apply for this product. And the application is super easy. You click a link, you can do it online, and I will go over the application exactly what it looks like at the end of the video. So as I mentioned, there are no health questions. Any health issue can be approved. There's no exam that you don't need to give blood and urine like you do with a normal application. Everyone who applies would be approved for coverage. It's guaranteed. And even if you were declined on a previous application, you still can get this policy without a problem. And as I mentioned, the policy is available in 33 different states. So all these states here in green, the policy is approved for. So as long as you live in one of these states, then you can apply. A couple of the states in gray, they are waiting on approval. So a couple more states will be added. But for now, as long as you're in one of these 33 states, the policy will work for you. The death benefit is available from $10,000 to $50,000 in $10,000 increments. So you can get a death benefit of $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, or $50,000. It is a 5-year term. So that means once you apply, the price will not change for the next 5 years. And then you can renew for an additional 5-year periods all the way up to age 75. So in essence, this policy could cover you up to age 80. And you do have the option to convert your term policy to a whole life after 2 years. Because you're going from a term to whole life, the premium will go up quite a bit, but that is an included benefit in this policy. And basically this policy, just like all life insurance, if anyone depends on you financially, this policy is to provide peace of mind. It'll pay for a funeral, it could pay for any debts that you have. It's just a good way to have some security for the people that you love and who depend on you. So because it is a guaranteed issue policy with no health questions, all these types of policies pay a reduced death benefit for the first 2 years only. And the reason why is that if you go to your doctor and he says, hey, you've got a month to live, you can't expect the insurance company to pay out a full death claim when they've only received premium for 1 month. So that's why there is kind of a 2-year wait to get the full death benefit paid out. But if death is from an accident, it could be a car accident or any other type of accident, that would pay out the full death benefit from day one. So at least accidents are covered in full for the whole term. And then if there was a death in year 1, your heirs would get 120% of the life insurance premiums that you paid. So the way this works is that this is you're basically joining an association in order to get this life insurance. And the one premium covers the association as well as the life insurance. So a portion of the premium would go to pay for the association, a portion goes for the life insurance, and the life insurance portion, if you died in year 1, that premium plus 20% would be paid to your heirs. If there's a death in year 2, they pay 20% of the full death benefit. So if you had a $50,000 policy, $10,000 would be paid out from a death in year 2. And then after year 2, the full death benefit would be paid out regardless if it's a pre-existing condition or an accident. And I will say that, if you do have a lifespan less than 2 years, I wouldn't, recommend this, because just in case something happens in year 1, you'd probably be better off, saving your premiums and doing something else with them. So this is these are the age bands in which the policy is priced. And so the way this works, that you find your age here on the left column. Let's say that someone is 25 years old, so they would be in this age band here, and they want $50,000 of coverage. So we go over here. So the premium would be $42 a month. And there is a one-time $25 application fee. So the first premium due would be $25 plus $42, so it would be $67 a year for month 1, or I'm sorry, on the application date, and then going forward it would be $42 a month would be paid, and that would be locked in for 5 years. And then when this person, if they wanted to renew at 30, they'd still be in the same age band, so they'd still continue paying the same $42. And then if they wanted to renew again, they would be 35. So at that point, they would jump up to the next higher age band, and then the premium would be $53, $55 per month. So that's how the premiums work. The policy does get a little bit more expensive once you're 65 or over. We do have some whole life guaranteed issue policies that may be a better value when you reach this bracket. So if that's of interest to you, please reach out, and then we can show you what the prices are of the whole life, and you can make a decision what is better. The other thing to keep in mind is that you can always add this policy to another one. So let's say you already have $25,000 of coverage and you want 50 more, no problem to add this as a secondary policy to one or more that you already have. So as I mentioned, this policy is a benefit of joining the Wellness Association of America. There's no additional premium other than the premiums I showed you on the premium chart. And the WAOA mission is to improve our members' quality of life by offering programs and lifestyle benefits supported by trained wellness doctors who promote good health and wellness for your lifetime. And along with your policy, again, at no additional cost, they include all these benefits. So you can get a wellness assessment, you can have a one-on-one consultation with a naturopathic doctor, they have a weight loss program, allergy management, and all kinds of discounts on vitamins and health supplements. And then they also give you a health and wellness card, which provides savings on a whole wide array of different healthcare products and services as well. So again, no additional cost, but all this stuff is included with your life insurance policy. I do get a lot of people who are life insurance agents and who want to offer this product. We do help other agents add this to their portfolio. It's a great way to help your clients who may not have other options. So any questions, please reach out, and there will be a contracting link below the video as well if this is something that you want to offer your clients. Now, the application is about the easiest life insurance application I've ever come across. It's an online application. You click a link, and it just takes a few minutes to complete. If you don't want to apply online, you can just give us a call, and we can take the information over the phone and put it online for you. And this is the link. It's protectionpluslife.com/m/Abrams, and I'll have this link below the video as well. And here's my contact information. We help people with insurance, investments, and retirement. We're A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Here's my phone number, email, and then you can read reviews on our website, which is abramsinc.com/testimonials. So again, questions, please reach out. We're here to help you save money on life insurance and help you get approved for life insurance. Now, what I'll do now is I will show you the actual application online and walk you through how to complete it. Okay, so this is the Protection Plus life insurance application. You see here, once you click the link for the application, it'll take you to this page. You start out by entering your zip code here. And as long as the product is available in your state, then this screen will pop up here. And what you do is you put in your date of birth here. Just going to put a random date of birth. Okay, you select your gender, male or female. It doesn't matter if you select tobacco or not. This has no impact on the policy. But you can select that. And then here's the different options. This is the $10,000 policy, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, and $50,000. You can see the corresponding premiums. So for this exercise, I'm going to apply for the $50,000 policy. So you hit select plan, and then you go back up here where it says click to continue. And here's where we just start putting our name in. It's all, and everything here with the asterisk, with the red asterisk, is required. So I'll make sure you put all that stuff in. You do have to enter a mobile phone number. As I mentioned before, Social Security number is not required. And also, I should mention, if English is not your primary language, you can select a different language here and change the application to your language of your choice. This is where you put in the beneficiary. So you need to at least have one beneficiary. And you just have to enter their name, first and last name, the relationship. You don't have to enter their date of birth, but you can if you want. And then if you want to do a secondary beneficiary, you can enter that person down here. It's not mandatory, but you can if you'd like to. There's a question, are you a U.S. citizen? You do not need to be a citizen, so it doesn't matter if you put yes or no. You don't have to fill out this question. If you, for some reason, need to save your application, you do it here on the Save button. If we continue on, the next screen, and this is where you click this button, you'll enter your payment information. This is where you put your credit card number. You check these two boxes. And this does show that you'll be charged a one-time fee of $25. It won't let me continue without the credit card info, but you would hit continue, and then on the next page it'll just show a summary of your policy, and then it will ask you for your mother's maiden name, which you put that in, and then you hit submit. And once you do that, you're basically the application is complete. So it's that easy to apply. So again, any questions, please reach out, and we'll be happy to help you get life insurance in force for your family. Thank you.